How to fix you cannot see age-restricted videos on YouTube. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up YouTube application and then sign in to your account. Once signed in, tap on your profile icon, then simply tap on the settings like icon. Now tap on general, and inside here you will be able to find a restricted mode. Simply turn this button off. If it's turned on, YouTube may hide mature or age-restricted videos, so simply turn it off and then try watching the video again. If that does not work, head back. Then simply tap on manage or switch account. Then start here, tap on manage your Google account. After that, select personal info and then scroll down to birthday and make sure that your birth date is correct, because if your Google account says you are under 18, YouTube will block age-restricted content automatically. Also remember, some videos requires you to sign into a verified Google account before they can be viewed. Once those settings are fixed, restart the app and then try again. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel.